Welcome. Let's look at how to declare array in TypeScript. So array, as we know, is a collection of data which are which can be stored in the same location with a comma separated format. So let's declare array. So we'll say let's say num list 1, and I will show you two different ways which we can declare arrays. So number one is we can say number, and then this is going to represent that it's an array, and we can do like this, or we can also go ahead and initialize it. So this is how we initialize it. So I will say 2 comma 4 comma 6, but we can also declare or an array with another syntax. So it's num list, let's say 2, and this time we'll say array of number, and this is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 4 comma 6. So both these arrays are exactly same. There is no difference. They are exactly same. It's just your preference how you want to declare the array, either this way or this way. It's not going to have any impact on your program. So let's look at a scenario where you want to store two different data types. So let's say let employee, and now I want to store like this string comma number. So I can store this as, let's say, John Doe comma 50, but I cannot add another value here. Let's say 87. It's not allowed. Or I cannot say another employee. It's not a list actually. I can say emp2 comma 45. It's not allowed. I will get error. So what exactly is this called then? Even I cannot also change or swap the position. So I cannot take this here and put it here. Then also I will get error. So why is this then used, or what exactly is this called? So this is a tuple, and helps store multiple data type value together, but sequence and data type should be followed as we saw, otherwise it will complain. And we can only store one item. It can store only one item, and that one item comprises of two values, one is string and number. So we can use tuple for these kind of use cases. So thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.